So don't Here's one met in as well.
So the much better behaved guest we've had on the show this year.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. I really like being on this because I watch it every week. But I'm usually in bed watching this show. It's amazing.
No.
Is it like someone running their fingernails down a...
They're all British films.
Yeah, that's right.
We were under the impression the film industry was in a bit of a bad way at the moment.
Right.
Not.
Well, you know what's interesting is that during a recession, more people go to the cinema. So things are actually pretty good. These are, I think the last couple of months are the most that people have ever gone to the cinema in like 40 years. Yeah, which is great. So all the money in the bank for Odo.
We're opening up an Olympic cafe.
Yeah, we're gonna have a little booth.
What do you suggest like that? We'll all wear little hats. Like that.
I do. I'm gonna think something you have to do as well.
I think Staples.
Do you like cards?
I do. I'd like to. I would think with things like this.
Why did you go there? Don't know. Got no time for it. Get rid of all from the world. Yeah. This is really nicely done. And what you can do is you can do.
And all of a sudden, I'm kind of looking at this place of ingredients, thinking, is that merengue?
Alright.
Hopefully.
I think that's stuff we had people posing. Yeah, that was good fun.
Yeah, showing off the kind of muscles.
Surprised that was good. We did that. Yeah, that's my favourite.
Do you remember?
You're horrible.
Do you remember my favourite one?
Yeah.
Was a picture that came from Neil and April Jones from New Brighton, which is where my mum and dad live. They did Chicken Joe Fraser, but the great thing about their photo is that leading up in the background of it, you've got a bird cage, and leading up to the bird cage is a ladder, because they're big.
You've gone absolutely mad.
That is brilliant. Let's start the show again. Right, stop there and we go back to the
Let's go back.
Oh, that's funny.
And still now, that
I have no idea what was going on.
It still makes my heart pound.